Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to reprogram the remote control of Sky remote control. So this is my remote control, this is Sky unit, and this is my television. So let's go through the procedure and see how we actually program the remote control. Okay, so my TV is a Samsung and the Sky HD receiver, and this is just a Sky TV remote control, and all you have to do is press TV, the flash once, and then select, and then red button and press it, red light flash again twice, and then you put the code, the 4-digit code, in this case 1117, and this will flash twice again, and this is programmed. Then press TV and then press switch off, TV goes off, and then press again and it comes up again. So this is programmed, as you can see, and I just wrote down as well. So this is my Sky remote control, I just wrote it down. So start with, press TV, the light will flash once, then number 2, select button and red button, select together and press them together, and the top flashlight flash twice. This will flash twice again, and then enter the 4-digit code. In my case, the 4-digit code was for Samsung, so I press that, and then I switch the TV on, it come on, and switch off and switch off again. So this is it. This is a program. Just to follow this little instructions.